harassed. Back to the law. The law has defined grievance redressal process. First and foremost, it's important for us to know where to file the complaint. So appropriate forum for complaint is IC, where there is one. So in case the organization has more than 10 employees, the internal committee established under the law, if there is one. If there is one, because a lot of organizations are still in the process of complying with the law, or I would say they're still non-compliant. So in case there is an IC in a company or organization which has more than 10 employees, the IC is the appropriate forum for complaint. In other cases where there is no IC or where the organization is not required to have an IC, the local complaints committee set up by the Labor Office in every district of India, there's a local complaints committee set up. Police, where the aggrieved woman wishes to approach. Now, let me share, in case, there is an incident, a female says that she has been misbehaved with, inappropriately touched, or maybe the complaint may be that the supervisor used foul language with her, and she directly approaches the police. In such cases, the police, before registering the complaint, will come to the IC first to inquire whether the complaint was filed with the IC. If yes, what decision did the IC take? If no, they would advise the female to file the complaint to the IC first. Shebox is an online sexual harassment complaints portal set up to address and redress such kind of complaints. So the complaint can be filed on Shebox also. The law has defined the composition of IC, and it's very, very important. Law says minimum 4 members, one presiding officer, who should be a woman employed at senior level at workplace. A senior female employee should be the presiding officer. Not less than 2 employee members who have the understanding, who have the experience, or who have some legal knowledge, and technically or practically who learn when they are taught. So there are IC capacity building workshops held to train the IC members to handle such kind of grievances also. Then one external member from NGOs or a lawyer or a CS who has the knowledge of this law and who has the maturity and sensitivity to handle such kind of complaints. Half of the total number of members of the IC should be females. Now, once the IC gets constituted, IC has the power of a civil court. It gets the power of a civil court when these 4 people or more than 4 people where they sit together to handle a complaint. They gain the power of a civil court. They have the power to summon and force the attendance of any witness, examining him on oath. They can ask any documents, they can ask any evidence, just like a civil court.
Welcome to COMPLINITY Technologies. COMPLINITY is India's leading governance, risk and compliance software helping companies to manage their compliance, contracts, litigation, legal updates, inter-financial controls and more. COMPLINITY is a one-stop shop for all GRC needs. With our proprietary 12 GRC modules and real-time legal updates on 2,000+ laws and 24,000+ compliances, all in an integrated platform that is easy to use with automated alerts and risk management capabilities, is why compliance managers, general counsels and chief financial officers choose COMPLINITY every time. Join the most innovative and prestigious brands that use COMPLINITY. Automating your compliance management. Request a demo at complinity.com.